Just give introduction and directly go to the design slides and then implementation.
Good afternoon, everyone. My topic is a deep learning based approach to lung cancer identification. The abstraction of this topic is cancer. Cancer is the most common disease in wild world. There is many types of cancer. Lung cancer is the most common in both men and women. Deep learning has been popular choice for classification process in recent year. Here, implementation of TensorFlow and 3D convolution network architecture from deep learning based is using. The introduction is deep learning is a multi-layer structure which emerged from machine learning techniques, which is achieving solution to many problems such as image processing, signal processing, and natural language processing. Biomedical images classification is the area where deep learning is commonly used. The topography image detection is the technique here they are used. Nodules of the lungs are classified as benign and malignant. Malignant nodule indicates that patient is patient is having cancer, and while the other one is a non-cancerous patient. Ma'am, what about literature survey? Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Divya, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but what is this?
Ma'am, what
You
happened?
show your slides. Yes.
Okay. Shall I
Okay.
explain literature survey or shall I go to
For literature survey, directly go to convolutional. Yeah, seventh slide.
yeah.
Start from seventh
Yeah.
slide.
Convolution network neural network, it is a multi-layered structure. It is feed forward and very effective, and especially in detecting in images, and this structure there are layers called as convolution, activation, pooling, and fully connected layer. This is the structure of the traditional CNN module: input, convolution, pooling, fully connected, and output. The convolution will extract all the details from the image and send it to the pooling. Pooling will enlarge and reduce the image size, which for the better visualment. Fully connected, fully connected channel is connected to all the neurons in the previous layer and is used to classify the extracted features. Finally, the output layer. The main disadvantages of 2D convolution neural network is difficult to implementation, and it need large data set for the implementation, and it is slower when compared to 3D convolution neural network. They do not encode the position and orientation of the object. If the network is pretty deep, each training step is going to take too much longer type. The proposer system. Here the TensorFlow library is used for performing the lung cancer diagnosis. The Spy Lungs database is used to classification of lung cancer nodules. This is the flowchart of the system. When we input, when they input an image, pre-processing will take place. In the pre-processing, they will scan all the neurals in the scan image, and further extract with this convocation, and if cancer node is present, then it is malignant. If it is not present, then it is benign. And this is the 3D convocation neural network. The main difference between 3D CNN and 2D CNN is it contain 4D tensor, which is depth, height, width, and channel parameter. Here depth is added to the 3D convocation. And these are the 7 layers of the convolution layer. The advantages of the 3D neural network is it is much better at accounting for order or spiral information, can perform multiple classification at once, and can locate object within image, faster operation when compared to 2D convocation neural network. The dataset. The dataset of CT images are collected from LIDC and IDRI datasets. LIDC stands for Lung Image Dataset Consort, and IDRI stands for infectious disease research institute dataset. These are the some simple CT scans of the lungs. The experimental results are the dataset of many CT images are collected from patients and collected in DCOM format. The micro DCOM files views used for view image in DCOM format. Then it is converted to PNG format. There are these are used for calculation of accuracy of the model. TN, TP, FP, and TFN. TN stands for true negative, true positive, false positive, and false negative. This is some example for the example of the calculating the accuracy of the experiment. If there is TP is 12 and TFN is 5, FP is 4, and TN is 9, the accuracy of the project is 70%. And conclusion: deep learning architecture CNS is especially known for success in image process classification for biomedical image classification. It is also obtained successful results. 3D CNN architecture is used for classification in this study. Experimental research shows that the method is successful and accuracy of the model is predictable. In the future, the performance of the system can be improved with the large data set and can improve architecture. And these are the references that I used. Thank you. Hello. Ma'am?
Yeah, madam. Rajlakshmi.
Ma'am?
Go back to the slide where you had put that formula TN, TP, FN, FP. You are viewing something, madam. The screen sharing will show whatever you are looking in your desktop
Mobile.
or mobile, whatever.
Slide number 21.
What is this TP, TN, FP, FN? Here in the same slide. Huh? What is that? Am I audible?
Rajalakshmi?
She is mute. Mute. You have mute the mic, madam. Rajlakshmi, first unmute the mic. Go back to the slide now.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Now
Yes.
you are audible. Yeah. What is
Yeah.
that PP, FN, FP? Tell me.
Ma'am, that is true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative, ma'am. The actual class of data is false and the estimated is false. The actual class of data is true, then estimated is true. Ma'am, if we collect so many images from the institute, we will check, ma'am, how many images are positive and negative. If it is positive, then later we will check for at what accuracy it is positive and at what accuracy it is negative. But like that we are doing like this, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am? Hello.
Okay, okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible now, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. I got your explanation. Just take a sample and tell me when that image or the sample instance will become false positive.
Ma'am, false positive.
Huh.
Ma'am, these are the sit images, ma'am.
Okay.
If the neural, ma'am, introduction only I said, ma'am, neurons are, lungs neurons are divided into two types, malignant and vagium, ma'am. And it comes from positive, it is malignant, and another one is negative is vagium. Here they will scan, ma'am.
Okay.
If
You tell
the
me the
scanning
instance when do you say that this particular instance has become false positive?
false positive, when sometimes the scan will positive.
It is nothing to do with this
So
image actually at now. You can just take a XY bar chart and tell me that what is false positive. See, our agenda is, madam, your presentation was good. You have spoken more technically. The flow was good. Comparatively, it was happier. But concern over here is you are speaking about CNN, right? So you should know something
yeah,
about CNN, right?
yes, ma'am.
So our concern is also that these seminars should give you some presentation skills, knowledge, and also you should be exposed to some upcoming technologies.
Yes, ma'am, but I go through the all expected question, but this question was I didn't expect it, so I didn't know.
Madam, CNN, I mean, any machine learning algorithms you go, the basic knowledge is what is false positive, false negative, true positive, and true negative. So, false positive, the name itself is telling you take an instance, it is not actually malignant, but it still says that this image is malignant. So, it is showing you
Oh,
positive, but it is not at positive. That's why you are classifying such kind of points as a false positive. This is simple agenda. Any machine learning algorithm will have this.
okay. Sorry, ma'am.
Right, you are explaining this 12 9 everything, then how that the basic part you don't know, how did you derive 12 9 4 5 and all? Tell me now.
Ma'am?
That image is showing it, right? So this was
Yes,
supposed to
ma'am.
fall in this group, and but it is falling in this group, that's why it is false positive. That's how it will be classifying it over there, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine, chalo, you guys do not answer to basic questions only. What next question I can pose? Anyhow, comparatively it was good. Well
Thank you,
done.
ma'am.
Okay, chalo, bye.
Divya, ma'am?
Yeah. Leave now.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅನುರಾಧ?
Hello.
ಹಲೋ
ಹ್ಮ್
ಅನುರಾಧ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಾನು
ರಾಜಿ
ನೋಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಚನಂದು ನೋಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ.
ನಾನ್ ನಿನಗ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ನಾನು ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ರಾಜಿ
ಬಿಡು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್
ನಂದು
ನೋಡು.
ಒಂದೇ
ಏನ್ ಫುಲ್ ನಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನು.
ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಬಟ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಅದೇನೆ
ಕಾನ್ವಲೇಷನ್ ಅದೇ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ, ನಂಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿತಿತ್ತು, ಫುಲ್ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಬಿಡು, ಇವಾಗ ಏನಂತಾಳೋ ದಿವ್ಯಾ, ಅವ್ಳು ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ಅಂದ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳಾ?
ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾ
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೈದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೈದ್ರು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದೆ.
ಅದೇ ನನಗೇನು ಅನ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿನಗ್ ಅಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
ಅದೊಂದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?